Mabuhay Universe! Touchdown, Osamis City! For today's video, the delegates are in Osamis City on their activities. Let's watch this!
Mabuhay po! Ako po si Marian de la Cruz Arellano mula sa probinsya ng Tarlac.
Grabe.
Maayong gabi, I am Alison Arceo Hetland representing Pampanga.
Maayong gabi, I am Roxy Bayans from Baguio City.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Isabella Rojas Ismael, representing Taguig.
Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan, I'm Nicole Borromeo representing Cebu Province.
Maayong gabi ka natin tanan. Ako rin ay si April Smith from Cebu City. Mabuhay! Ako po si Bea Milian Mendorsky, proudly representing La Union. Daghang salamat po!
Ascenso Misamis Occidental, I am Lainey Vilay Monteroyodo from the Mountain Province. Thank you.
Maayong gabi, Ascenso, Misamis Occidental. Ako ni ay si Clarissa Marie Angelina Gambada Westro, gikan sa probinsya sa Cotabato. Maayong gabi po sa inyong tanan. Maraming salamat po for having us. This is Patricia Ella Evangelista, representing Quezon Province and the Filipino Society of Australia.
Aloha kako, Mayumbang Ngarabi, and Maayong Gabi. I'm Sharifian Papayorn representing Ilocos Norte and the Filipino Society of Hawaii.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Felicia Aldana, proudly representing Bacoor City, Cavite.
Good afternoon, I am Michelle Tantoka Barcho, representing Nueva Ecija and the Filipino Society of the United Kingdom.
Jensen Manansala Kanya, representing Cavite Province.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Arya Pauline Galvez, representing Parañaque and the Filipino Society of Los Angeles.
Good evening. My name is Adela May Marshall, representing Muntinlupa. Maayong gabi sa inyo tanan. I am Zesta Shalom Cabalan Espinosa, representing Iloilo City.
Mayong gabi kaninyong tanan. I am Alexandria Colmenares from Negros Occidental. Mahupay na gabi. My name is Jacqueline Sampson Bulgarajani, Tacloban City.
Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Ako po si Justine Beatriz Felizarda, representing Manila.
Maayong gabi, Austin City. My name is Ashley Subihana Montenegro from the humble municipality of Luciana, Laguna.
Mayong gabi kaninyo na tanan. Ako ay si Nikling Tigurusutay, representing Iloilo Province.
Your bet in who will be the next Miss Universe Philippines 2026? Who will be Atisa's successor and to compete to Puerto Rico this year? Let us know in comment below.